welcome back to my channel. This episode I am going to show you a very good packing machine factory. Its name is Sun Chu. Now let me show you the video that I was in their workshop first, and I will talk about this later. Go video. How is it? What do you think? I think this is really advanced factory that I have seen in Foshan in China. Even in China, yes, they use very advanced facility to make their products, and their finishing is good. We are their agent that sell their products in Myanmar. And I hope any people in Myanmar, when you see this video, just feel free to contact us. We have a very professional service team in Myanmar. They are really happy if you call them. So yes, this is the video for today. I'll see you next week.